Is your relationship losing its spark? Initially, someone may show interest in you, but as time passes, you might notice them pulling away and showing less enthusiasm. If you find this is a common issue, it might be because your behavior isn't quite right, and they don't miss you when you're not around. This video will teach you several successful strategies to make a woman miss you deeply, ensuring she stays deeply drawn to you. 1. Pay attention to your appearance. The journey of self-improvement is ongoing. Never settle and continually strive to enhance your look, or you may regret it later. Working on your physical appearance takes effort, but it's worth it and becomes enjoyable. Improving how you look isn't just about attracting others. It's about seeing yourself in the mirror and feeling proud. It boosts your confidence and can even improve your career prospects. A person who looks good often comes across as more engaging and convincing, much like a well-dressed salesman tends to achieve more success than his less polished counterparts. Clearly, being physically appealing makes many things in life easier, as it naturally draws others to you. If there are aspects of your appearance you feel could be better, work on them. Look after your skin, shape your eyebrows, style your hair, care for your teeth, groom your beard. Leave nothing out. Focus on your facial features and aim for the best look you can achieve. You'll notice a significant change in how others perceive you once you begin to improve your physique. Think of building a balanced body with a strong back and shoulders, a toned chest and abdomen, and well-proportioned legs. This transformation takes dedication and time, so savor the journey. As you start seeing changes, you'll find you have more appeal, and when you reach a point where you're undeniable, life becomes simpler. Remember, do this for yourself. When I strive to be my best, it's not just about impressing others. It's about living my best life because life is short, and I choose to live it to the fullest. 2. Value your time and make your attention scarce. Your time is precious and should be treated as such. If a woman can access your attention anytime, she's less likely to miss it. True self-improvement means not yielding to distractions, even if they come in the form of someone's interest. Many men begin to improve in areas like communication, confidence, finance, and appearance, and attract attention from women. Unfortunately, some start to lose focus and give too much of their time away, becoming too available, which is counterproductive. Keep your focus during your growth journey and stay somewhat elusive. When people discuss relationships, it's often observed how much effort a woman puts into connecting with someone who does not make themselves too accessible. The interest from her usually stems from the challenge presented by that person's unavailability. Prioritizing work, education, physical health, and leisure time, and avoiding trivial distractions are critical. Not being readily available on demand and not abandoning all tasks for a meetup makes a person more desirable because limited availability adds value to their presence, keeping her attracted and interested. This approach makes a person a rare find, a prize not easily won, which in turn increases their perceived value. 3. Make her crave more time with you. This is crucial because it's all about creating enjoyable and unforgettable experiences with her. Without sharing good times, there won't be much for her to miss. A great connection is key. It's what draws her closer and makes her miss you when you're apart. Connection means your conversations flow smoothly. You find common interests easily, and it feels like you've known each other forever, enhancing the enjoyment of your time together. But remember, compatibility is essential for a genuine connection. If you're not compatible, that's okay. You can't force a connection. Not everyone will match well with you. Often, a strong connection doesn't form on the first date due to nerves and hesitation to open up. Good communication and confidence can help establish a connection faster. Being fully present, listening, engaging, and showing affection always leaves a positive impression. When you're together, make those moments unforgettable, which will make her think of you fondly when you're not around. The intensity and joy you bring when together will make her miss you more when you're busy. 4. Take time out to hang out with your friends. As you've come to realize, when you're actively present in someone's life, limiting your availability can make you more missed. Spending time with friends provides a natural break and is a fun and relaxed way to step away, something everyone needs occasionally. However, it's important to note whom you choose to spend your time with. You often become reflective of the 5 people you associate with the most. Hence, choose your companions wisely. Picking friends might be tough, but it's beneficial for you. Aim to surround yourself with individuals who have strong morals, clear goals, and are striving for success. Their positive traits and ambitions will inspire and influence you. Conversely, spending too much time with people who lack ambition can drag you down. If you're mostly around successful people, their habits and mindsets can propel you towards success too, possibly making you the next success story in your circle. 5. Prioritize a financial goal. It's essential to recognize that interactions with women often involve a certain level of game playing, just as men sometimes engage in similar behaviors. However, women are typically quick to notice when men are playing games, and they may respond with indifference, leading to unsuccessful outcomes for the men. Instead of playing games, the most effective way to make a woman miss you is to be genuinely busy, particularly with financial ambitions. As you focus on achieving a financial goal, you'll naturally have less time available, making your attention more valuable and desirable. Concentrate on your objectives. A focused individual is not only more successful, but also more appealing. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle, spend less than you make, look into investment opportunities, and actively manage your finances. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but with consistent effort and smart financial practices, you could substantially improve your life within a few years. Think about past acquaintances or an ex seeing your progress and realizing how much you've accomplished. This transformation can make you more desirable and often leads women to reconsider their earlier underestimation of your potential. Even though women have many choices, being a uniquely successful man sets you apart. Never underestimate your uniqueness. It's your greatest asset. 6. Share exciting stories about your life. Everyone loves being around someone who leads an interesting life. Share stories about your adventures, dreams, and achievements. This doesn't mean you need to boast. Just let her see the fascinating sides of your life in a humble way. When you talk about what you're passionate about, it makes you more intriguing and desirable. When you're not around, she'll think about these stories and wonder what new adventures you're up to, making her miss you and eager to be part of your story. 7. Show consistency in your character. Being consistent in how you treat her and others shows reliability and integrity, which are attractive qualities. Let her see that you're someone who sticks to their word and values. This consistency makes you a dependable figure in her life, someone she can trust and rely on. When you're not there, she'll miss the security and stability you provide, longing for the comfort that your presence brings. This sense of reliability makes you a keeper in her eyes, someone she wants to keep coming back to. These methods are excellent for making a woman miss you. Implement these strategies, and you'll notice women becoming more drawn to you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment with topics you're interested in for our upcoming videos. I'm signing off for now, gentlemen, until our next episode. I truly hope this message has been helpful to you. A big congratulations for making it this far and completing the video. This shows your commitment to personal growth. Thanks for watching. As always, until next time.